Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact recording and composition you used. List title, artist, and SRC if available so there's no confusion. Next, determine who owns the composition versus the sound recording because you may need separate licenses. Once done, define your intended use clearly: commercial, streaming, sync, plus territory and duration since licensing costs depend on scope. Make sure to document contact info for publishers and labels before moving to outreach. That saves time and prevents duplicate requests. You now contact the rights holders with a concise request. Explain the use, distribution channel, audience size, and timeframe so they can quote accurately. When requesting licenses, ask specifically for sync for audiovisual use and master if using a recording. Mechanicals apply for reproducing compositions. As you negotiate, focus on key terms, fees, credits, exclusivity, and indemnities, because these affect future uses. If a holder counters, propose compromises like limited territory or shortened duration to lower costs while retaining essential rights. You finish by securing signed agreements and invoices, then store them in a central folder tied to the project so you can prove clearance later. Next, register uses with platforms or performance rights organizations when required and follow any reporting rules to avoid future claims. If a claim appears despite clearance, escalate with written proof, signed license, payment evidence, timestamps, and communication logs. If negotiations fail, consider re-recording, using royalty-free alternatives, or seeking a legal opinion to pursue claim reversal or safe harbor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.